Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Becky. For those of you who are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I organize my things underneath of my restroom vanity. So this is my restroom vanity or my restroom sink. And I have 4 cabinets, and the drawers do not actually pull out, so they're fake. So I'm only able to utilize the cabinets themselves. So this is what it looks like inside of my cabinets. I have 8 of these little organizers total, and there's not a whole lot of room under here, so I had to make sure that I was utilizing the space up and down. And they come apart so you can put as many as you want together. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I have. Feminine products, just extra things to refill the cotton swabs and so forth. Toiletries for traveling, my husband's shaving kit and his floss, some Vaseline and vapor rub, and this is my pedicure, manicure nail set in there, and the swabs that I use for the nail polish remover. And on this side I have my hair products, mousse, hairspray, gel, detangler, my brushes and combs, some deep conditioning products there, and just some extras that I use to refill any of my empties, and a bottle of lotion. So as you can see, the taller items I keep on the top so that they'll be able to fit. Everything is easily accessible, and I only have the things in here that I use. I don't buy more than what I need, and it functions perfectly for us. Everything's open, like I said, so it's easy to grab what it is that you need. Easy to find what you're looking for, and if you wanted to, you could also label the containers if that makes it easier on your eyes to label. So that's what it looks like, guys. And like I said, everything's nice and compact in there, easily accessible, everything's organized, and there is no chaos underneath the restroom sink. So here's just a closer view of what the little organizing towers look like, and like I said, you can take them apart so you can put as many or as little as you want together. Some of the stuff in here we don't necessarily use every day, aside from the hair products. Hi. So I have the things that we use on a daily basis inside here, inside of the medicine cabinet. Inside of the medicine cabinet is where I keep the things that we use more on a daily basis. So I have my toner in here. I have some essential oil that I like to use sometimes in the tub. I have my perfume, like I said, my deodorant. I keep my retainers in here. And on this shelf, I have my floss and chapstick. I have my facial moisturizers and my eye cream, and I keep in here these 2 clear containers. I got these from the Container Store. I like to keep the Q-tips and cotton swabs for my face. And this last shelf is my husband's items. So he has his deodorant, his cologne, some tooth floss as well, and some body powder, and just some cream, and this little pill cutter in here. So that's how we have the medicine cabinet set up with the things that we use on a daily basis. So it's very accessible, and it's just easy to get to rather than having these things stored underneath the sink. And these 2 little containers came in a set that I got from Walmart, and they're actually for the desk, but I like to use them in here because they're small enough to fit inside of the medicine cabinets. If you're wondering, all of our medications and ointments, band-aids, cough medicine, I keep downstairs, and I will do a separate video on how I organize my medications. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it was helpful for you and that you got a few tips and ideas of how that you can organize underneath your restroom sink. I can't wait to see you guys on the next video, and I look forward to chatting with you again soon. Bye.